Welcome to Hadley's Kitchen. Let's make some homemade meatballs. The first thing you're going to need is a pound of a mild Italian sausage and 1 pound of ground beef, 3 eggs, grated garlic and a quarter grated white onion, herbs and spices on the screen, and 1/2 cup panko. Mix those together using a wooden spatula or spoon. Try and mix it as best as you can before you start using your hands. And then you're going to want to start punching the meat. This actually develops a form of what I would call meat gluten, but that's not real. Essentially, the meat starts to stick together a lot better. And you'll go ahead and want to form these into 1-inch balls. All right, once you get those set out on a plate, get your pan on medium heat with some olive oil and place those in to start sizzling. You want to let those cook about 2 minutes per side and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Don't those look nice and caramelized? Get those on a baking pan and cover tightly with foil and bake for 15 minutes at 375. Remove and then immediately put them into your favorite sauce. I'm going to use a homemade marinara, of which I'll have a recipe later on the website. Once you get those into your sauce, you're going to want to let them simmer for about 15 minutes before serving. Don't those look delicious? Enjoy!